Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how I made these grilled potato pockets. Super easy, very delicious side dish that you can throw on the grill when you barbecue. Here you can see I already have my potatoes cut and peeled. You don't want to watch me peel and cut potatoes. It's not really that cool, but I have them ready. I got 3 pieces of foil because I'm going to make 3 of them today. You can see I'm just going to put about a handful of potatoes on each piece of foil. Again, I know it doesn't really matter what side of the foil you use. Some people say shiny side up, the dull side up. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Next here, you can see I'm just going to put about a spoonful of butter. You can put as much as you want. You can put as little as you want. I'm just going to cover these with some salt, obviously to give it a little bit of flavor. There's also different seasonings you can try. I mean, you can put whatever you want on these pockets. That's the nice thing about them. Next here, I'm going to use some cracked black pepper. Just going to put a little bit on each pocket. Again, anything you want to throw in there, as long as they go good with potatoes. Next here, I'm going to get some cheese, and I'm just going to cover them. I like to use the Mexican style, like the Fiesta blend. Has a little bit of different cheeses on there. And in the past, I've done bacon bits. I've thrown fresh jalapenos in there. You can throw sour cream. You can throw chives in there. You can throw some onions in there. Pretty much anything that you like, the way you like your potatoes, you can just toss them in there. Give it a try. Personally, I like mine spicy, so that's why I've done jalapenos and whatnot. But like for the kids and stuff, they don't like spice, so I stick with just salt, pepper, and cheese and butter. And then you can see here I'm folding these to keep like a little pocket because you don't want all that juice to come out once it starts to melt. You don't want that butter and cheese to start seeping out and get your grill all dirty. So just make sure when you fold them, you kind of make that little pocket so all the juice can stay in there, and that's going to help the potatoes kind of simmer and get nice and soft and delicious. Next here, I'm going to take them outside. I'm going to throw them on my smoker. You can throw these on your grill as well. They do take a little bit longer, so you can see here I do have my smoker off. So I always toss them on before I even turn it on, or as I'm waiting for it to warm up. So just toss them on since they take about 30 or so minutes to cook. So here you can see I got mine turned on. I'm going to crank it up here after I see that smoke coming out. I'm going to crank it up to about 400 degrees, and then I'm going to throw my steaks and jalapeno poppers on and let them cook. And then once they're cooking, just kind of leave them alone. Don't mess with them, because if you get that foil and that foil rips, all your juice is going to come out, and they're not going to come out soft. Here you can see got all my food done. Here are my potato pockets. Open them up. I'm going to see that nice crisp on them, cheesy, and you can see there's like a little bit of butter at the bottom. Nice, soft, delicious. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this, and I want to thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.